Hello, children. Welcome to Happy Hippo Kids Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn about air. It's a bright, sunny day and you want to fly a kite. Have you ever wondered what makes your kite flow freely in the sky? Yes, it's air. What does that magic? What is air? Air is the mixture of many gases. We have air all around us. Living things need air to breathe. It cannot be seen, but can be felt when it moves. It is because of air that aeroplanes and hot air balloons can fly. Air is present everywhere. An empty jar is not actually empty. Rather, it has air in it. Have you ever wondered, children, if footballs and tires were flat, how would you play or drive a car? You need not worry, because we can inflate them and have all the fun. Moving air is called wind. It helps sailboats to move, arms of windmills to turn, and kites to fly. Some musical instruments even, like flute, trumpet, harmonium, and mouth organs, need air to produce music. Remember, air occupies space. Air has weight, and air is needed for burning. Let us quickly recapitulate. Air is a mixture of gases, and we feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Living things need air to breathe. Air is also needed for burning. Some musical instruments produce sound due to air. And this is the know why. When you light an incense stick, why do the fumes move upwards? Here is another quality shown by air. Warm or hot air always rises up, as it is lighter than the cold air. The simple reason is the fumes produced by the burning incense is warmer. Hence, it rises upwards. And now, it's activity time. Take a burning candle and place it on a dish filled with water. Cover the candle completely with an inverted glass. What do you observe? The candle goes out after some time and the water level also rises up. The empty-looking glass wasn't actually empty. It had air inside, which was used up in burning. The water took up the space which was used up in burning. But remember, adult supervision is strictly needed for this experiment. So make sure you are accompanied by your parents. Happy activity! Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe too. Bye-bye.